Sydney Chisholm, CastNet News. I'm here in downtown Kamloops. The massive Sparks Lake wildfire, located about 24 kilometers northwest of Kamloops, has grown slightly, and this is because of the hot and dry weather conditions over the last day. It's now sitting at 45,156 hectares in size, up a couple hundred hectares from the last update. Crews are preparing a planned ignition operation, as BC Wildfire Service says that planned ignitions can be the most effective containment tactics in areas like Red Lake. Check back for updates. For CastNet News, I'm Sydney Chisholm.